Hey guys, today we're going to go through the project pan. This is project pan season 2 episode 10 and we're going to be deciding what's going to stay in the collection and what's going to get decluttered. I'm going to make a huge disclaimer here. I sell all of this stuff to a friend. I don't sell it to people that I don't know on the internet because I feel like it's just too risky. So please don't ask me to sell this to you, and please don't tell me I'm wasting the makeup because it's going to a new home. So anyway, let's start. So if you guys might know that I'm no longer promoting Jeffree Star Cosmetics on my channel, so I had 4 of his lip ammos in here, and these ones will be getting decluttered. Alright, so we have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. I actually really love this palette, it's such a nice one. I feel like it still looks like I haven't even made a dent in it, but that's fine. This one will be going back into the collection because I love this. Next is the Australis Neutralize Palette. I'm having a really hard time deciding if I should keep this or not. Oh god, I really don't know. Looks like this, it's a really pretty palette, but I just don't know if I will reach for it. I'm going to sit it in the maybe pile for now and we'll come back to it at the end. I'll be getting rid of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Androgyny palette, and I'll also be getting rid of the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. This is the Morphe Bake and Set powder. This one I will also be getting rid of. I just don't really like the way it sets. I feel like it's just a little bit heavy, and yeah, I'm not really into it. I'll also be getting rid of the Morphe Revitalizer Primer. I just don't really notice anything too good about this, like too amazing. I have so many other primers that I like more, and I feel like if this is in my drawer, I'm just going to totally forget about it and never reach for it, so I will be getting rid of that one. This is the Anastasia Perfect Brow Pencil, and I will be getting rid of this one. I just do not get along with this. I find it so hard to use, and you have to press so hard to get any colour payoff. I like a creamy brow pencil. I feel like I much prefer the like crayon-y ones. So yeah, I will be getting rid of this one. I just really do not like that at all. These are the 2 Kylie Cosmetics highlighters. We have French Vanilla, which looks like this, and then we also have Cotton Candy Cream, which looks like this. This one's a bit more like kind of peachy or like pinky kind of thing. I'll be keeping both of these. They're a bit more of a subtle formula, but I do actually really like them. So I've got 4 of these Colourpop Super Shock shadows. I think I will get rid of these because I just don't reach for them, and I just don't want them to sit in my drawer and waste away. They are really nice, but the thing is I'll never reach for this over a palette, I don't think. So yeah, I'm going to say goodbye to my Colourpop Super Shock shadows. As for these 3 setting sprays that I have in here, actually 4 setting sprays. So we have the Tarte 4-in-1 setting mist. We have the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray in lavender. We have the Tarte Mer Mist shimmer spray, and we also have the Wonder Beauty Glow Getter Mist. I'm actually going to declutter the Gerard Cosmetics one, and then these 3 I'm going to actually keep in the project pan, so I'll put those, they will carry on to next season. The Colourpop No Filter Foundation, I really don't know about this. I feel like it's so close to being empty, but I just don't know. I think I might declutter it. I don't think it's my shade at all anyway, so yeah. I do need to like clean it though. This is the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre or whatever. This is like so dried up, so this will be going in the bin. This is the only time I'll get rid of a product if they're no good, and actually put them in the bin. So yes, that one will be going to the bin. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter setting powder, and I actually do really like this. I feel like I really like the layer of coverage it adds because it is a little bit of like a coloured powder, so I will be keeping that one. Let's get on to some of these lip products. This is the Tarte Island Life lipstick. Yeah, I think I'll keep that. I feel like I'll be a little bit, probably keep a lot more lip products now because I have got rid of my Jeffree ones. So I want to, you know, I don't want to have no lipsticks, if you know what I mean. These two are from MAC. We have Spirit, which is a really pretty shade. So I'll keep that one. And then we also have Please Me. I just don't know if this is the thing I'll ever reach for. I'm going to declutter that one. This is the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in Rain. I think I do actually really like this shade. See, it's like, it's a lot more pinky, but it's like, it's not, like it's got more of like a bit of a brown undertone, like it's more of a nude, I feel like, so I will be keeping that one. This is the Too Faced High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss in Sugar Plum. I will be keeping this one. This is the Kylie Cosmetics in Savage, the Velvet liquid lipstick. I think I might get back into Kylie Cosmetics, to be honest, and I really like that shade, so I will be keeping that one. This is the Too Faced Melted Chocolate Liquefied Longwear Lipstick. I don't think that's my thing, to be honest. It's not a very, like, I feel like it's quite a watery formula, so I don't really want that one. I will put that, I will declutter that. The Australis Mesmerise palette. I just don't know if I'm going to reach for these two. Like, when I use them, they are nice, but I just don't know if anything about the palettes, like, speaks to me, if you know what I mean. I don't know, I'll put that in the maybe pile as well. As for the two mascaras, I will hold on to those because, I don't really think it's sanitary to give other people mascaras anyway, so it's kind of like, this is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, which I actually do quite like, and this is the Clinique High Impact Mascara. So yeah, I will hold on to these. My two Too Faced bronzers, I will be holding on to both of these. We have Sun Bunny, and then we also have Chocolate Soleil. I really do like both of these, so they will be staying. This foundation, hell no. She's going, and so is her little friend, the concealer. They are both out of here, never to be seen again. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. Yeah, I'll keep that. Then we have the Tarte Clay Stick. You know what? I think I can part with it. I don't think I will reach for it, so yeah. And then these two concealers, the Tarte Shape Tape and the Urban Decay All Nighter. You know what? I'm going to hold on to them. They are super full coverage and I feel like they do really crease, but I'm sure I can make use of them, like, when I want a super full coverage look. So, as for the two Australis palettes, I feel like I'll hold on to them for now because I feel like my more affordable makeup, I don't have too much of that at the moment. Like, I feel like I need to add more affordable makeup to my collection, so I think I'll keep these for now, just in case I want to do like a full face of affordable makeup or something like that, but I will declutter them at a later date if I need to, so yeah, I'll keep those for now. Alright, so this is how the box is looking. We just have the 3 setting sprays, and then we are ready to start Project Pan Season 3, which is crazy. I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm going to put everything away now, so let's go do that. Alright, so this is just an overview of all the stuff I got rid of, and I'm just going to chuck it all in my declutter box. Oh, it's falling. Okay, so that's all ready to be sold. Now we can put everything else away. Okay, so I think I'll just put these two in there. So this one here is matte, so see it there, and then this one's the velvet, so that can go there. And then the lip gloss will just go there with the other ones. These two can go in the bottom drawer. Cool. Just put the two mascaras there. And then I need to fit these in here. Just kind of sit them anyway for now, I guess. I can organise that later. And then the Becca one can just go up there with the other Becca primers. Alright, this is going to be tricky because this drawer is like so full, but oh, my highlighters are all gone at the moment because I just made the my highlighting video. But anyway, put that in there. And then as for my two Kylie ones, I can't really remember where everything else in this drawer goes at the moment, so I'm just going to sit them in here for now and I can rearrange it later. And I forgot about my two bronzers. They can just go there with my other Too Faced ones. Okay, so that is Project Pan Season 2 done. So thank you guys so much for watching this season. Really hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'm really excited for Season 3. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!